Welcome to Winter Quarter Startup Matchmaking here at the garage. Hope you're all at home, warm in your dorm or apartment, and ready to hear from some interesting teams who are looking for new teammates. So, I'll tell you a little bit about how this is going to work tonight. We have about 27 teams who are looking for new team members who are going to pitch. They each have 60 seconds, basically, no slides, no screen sharing, just to tell you what they're working on and what type of help they're looking for. After all of the teams pitch, they will then leave this Zoom and go to their own Zoom rooms. Elisa is posting a link in the chat where you can see all of the teams that are pitching tonight, along with their Zoom rooms that they'll be in for the second 30 minutes. So you can spend from 6:30 to 7 hopping around to as many teams as you're interested in chatting with, learning more, introducing yourself. If there's any team that you want to chat with that you don't get a chance with tonight, that document also has the founder's contact information and email address so you can follow up with after. Um, so, with that, we are going to go in alphabetical order based on that document. And we are going to start first with adaptable AI.
Everyone, my name is Anuj. I'm the founder of Adaptable AI. Adaptable AI is an AI-powered procurement platform for advanced manufacturing companies. And our procurement analyst acts like a digital team member and automates various tasks such as supplier outreach and quote generation. In the past 6 months, so I have spoken to more than 30 plus potential customers, and we have all already built the MVP. And we are also actively doing pilot at a customer, and we will also be doing three more pilots in the upcoming weeks. A bit about me. So I have deep domain expertise in procurement space. I was a product manager prior to Kellogg, and I have built various procurement related products. And I have also worked in consulting at EY and have also worked at Tesla. So I'm looking for full stack engineer and a GTM lead. Please join me if you want to build in the agentic AI space, and I'm happy to provide more information in the breakout room. Thank you.
Awesome, thanks. And just for all the founders pitching tonight, if you want to drop in your websites or any information in the chat, feel free to do so. And for everyone else attending, if you have any questions, feel free to be active in the chat. Next up is AI Optimize. We have Nathaniel here. All right, moving on to Aaron X.
So hi, I'm Hanso, the founder of AirNex. I started this startup with the vision to solve climate change. And to do that, I've been working on a sustainable, efficient, and scalable approach to carbon capture. Our core technology, which is currently patent pending in more than 10 different countries and has won numerous international research competitions, is based on humidity-induced electrochemical swing of carbon dioxide. And we've managed to put that technology inside a thin film and flexible form factor. We're currently looking for skilled engineers, preferably those with research experience that is related to this field, to further develop this technology. If you're interested, you can contact me separately or you can join me in the breakout room. Thank you.
Great. Next up, we have Banter.
Everyone, nice to meet you all. My name is Rohan Roy. I'm the founder of Banter. And here at Banter, we believe that people define our lives. Really what Banter is about is making connections with the people around us, the memories and experiences. So we just launched an app, and our platform is basically formed on four fundamentals: common interests, proximity, and activities, and small world occurrences with the people around you. So really where we're focused right now is building out our features around physical proximity. So that person right across from you, what do you have in common with that person? How can you start a conversation? And also integrating AI into capturing photos and memories about your life and the people as well who are right next to you. So we just launched in August. We have about 110 users right now and really focusing on driving user growth and adoption. So what we're really looking for is someone who is really helping to help support the team in full funnel marketing and go to market execution. And so we're really excited about the potential with Banter and also our purpose. And if you're interested in just our overall mission and what we're trying to do here, we'll love to have a conversation. So thanks.
All right, next up has one of my favorite logos, Bloop.
Hey all, Vineet here. I'm the founder of Gloop. So I think we've all had moments where we open TikTok or Instagram and for just 5 minutes and lost an hour or two. I think this is because these apps are designed to hypnotize us, sort of, almost turning us into zombies scrolling endlessly. And the existing solutions are quite passive. They just track your screen time, but they don't actually stop you. So I'm building Blue. It's an active intervention tool. So if you're doom scrolling, it's meant to snap you out of it. I'm looking for people to work in design, iOS, and marketing to help me build the MVP and beyond. If you want to learn more about Loop, please join me in the breakout room. Thanks.
All right, next up is crowd listen.
Hey guys, I'm Terry, founder of CrowdListen. AI written scripts today are generic, flat and nuanced, and they often hallucinate. CrowdListen is built to combat AI slop. We believe that no matter how capable AI models become, real insights should be always grounded in human conversations and delivered in the creator's own voice. CrowdListen is a research and content creation agent built to surface insights through extensive research and stylized creation. So instead of starting from a blank prompt, users start from evidence using powerful research tools and style kits that capture their voice and analytical approaches. We're looking for engineers, designers, and writers who want to build better research and creative tools. This is our 10th, I think, quarter as a resident team at the garage, and our product is live with 300 beta testers and probably over 20,000 lines of code. So you'd be joining a strong product-driven team building tools that we existed ourselves. And feel free to join the Zoom room later.
Thanks, Terry. Next up is Inoki.
What's up, everyone? My name is Ryan. I'm one of the co-founders of Enoki. Enoki allows you to import any recipe from Instagram, TikTok, websites, YouTube videos into our app, and then displays a nice card of what the recipe looks like. It also will be able to build meal plans for you based on your nutrition preferences, the ingredients you want, and how much you're trying to spend on meals for the week. And then from there, it builds your grocery list for you, and then you can order it directly through Instacart. Our current status on the project and the company is that we've officially secured a partnership with Instacart. We're releasing for user testing next week, and we are starting to run just warming up marketing campaigns. So we've generated around 50,000 views in the past couple of weeks using our own version of automated UGC. Some background about me, I was doing GTM engineering at a YC-backed company for the past half year, and I also built a sports media company that generated 20 million views in 3 months. We are currently looking for people interested in marketing, specifically influencers in UGC, designers, as well as front-end developers. And if you want to see a product demo, just how it works, feel free to join my breakout room, and I'd love to chat with you.
All right, next up is Glimmer.
Cool. So, hello everyone. I am Vani, the founder of Glimmer, which is India's first sneaker charm company. Here's a picture for reference. We basically source the raw materials, assemble, design, package, and sell cute accessories for your shoes. Everything is in-house from start to finish. We started selling 3 months ago and have already sold over 350 units with over $3,000 in revenue. Glimmer is also launching a Northwestern themed collection this quarter. And post this test, I hope to expand into like the athletic teams here and the sororities at Northwestern and perhaps neighboring colleges like U Chicago. I'm looking for people to help with marketing, digital and in person, as well as website design and development, and perhaps SEO, so blog writing, keywords, and that sort of thing. I look forward to talking to you guys in the breakout rooms.
Next up is Gridgate.
Hi everyone, we're Gridgate, excuse me. So everyone knows that AI is the future, but today the biggest bottleneck for most AI projects is actually energy production. Well, energy production, the demand will only continue to increase, the supply is not. Millions of dollars are spent and die, especially on spreadsheets, misallocation of funds, and permitting delays. And right now it's just simply too expensive and takes too long to build energy in the United States. So we're building a decision-based platform that helps answer one critical question: what's the most important thing for these projects and will they succeed? So right now, developers send millions of dollars in the wrong places, make decisions with bad data, and get subpar outcomes. So our products can use historical outcomes, social sentiment, and electrical engineering to predict overall risk, and saving these companies time and money. So we're looking for people who have technical coding background who can join our current team and help grow the underlying infrastructure for this project. If you're interested in helping build out the United States infrastructure and supplying AI needs, this is the project for you.
All right, next up is Hackney.
Hi, I'm Griffin. I'm the founder of Hackney. It's an app that shows you Uber and Lyft prices in real time so that you can pick the cheapest ride. It also supports Waymo and Curb taxis. I'm looking for people who are interested in marketing and growth to work on getting the app to a lot more users and making it more discoverable day to day, as well as any sort of subset of that you want to do, whether it's content creation, SEO, some mix of things, whatever it is. The app currently has 1,200 users and it's live on the App Store and Google Play Store. So if you're interested, let me know.
Next up is Happy Cow.
Yeah, hey everyone, I'm Jake. And so I founded Happy Cal. And when you think about Happy Cal, just think about a time where you tried to schedule a group event and it was just absolutely chaotic and terrible. You probably sent dozens of text messages, had to wrangle the last few people to give you their availability. You might have sent the schedule like calendar link out, and then somebody told you they actually can't meet that day. So you went back to the drawing board, and it was a very frustrating process. That's exactly what Happy Cal seeks to sort of stop. So it's a very simple user interface where you can create events, collect that availability, and then send out a calendar invite pretty seamlessly. We're working on a lot of different features, but also looking for marketing support. You can really craft that vision if you join our team. So yeah, feel free to join my breakout room, and also I will put the link in the chat right now.
Next up is Hapti.
Hi, everyone. My name is Trevor Abbott, and I am the co-founder and CEO of Hapti. At Hapti, we've developed an integrated AI hardware software solution that delivers real-time visibility into what's actually happening on supply chain warehouse floors. Our computer vision on a custom forklift-mounted camera captures and analyzes forklifts' movements in real time to actively stop errors and improve efficiency. If you want to work on GPUs, edge computing, machine learning, computer vision, software backend for real customers in the supply chain industry, we are actively deployed and looking to grow our team in specifically software development. We're also looking for machine learning engineers. So if you're interested at all in like I said, backend, front end, full stack, or machine learning, we would love to have you. Check out our breakout room. Thanks.
Next up is Herd.
Thank you. Hey, what's up? My name is David, and I am an MBA student at Kellogg. Prior to coming to Northwestern, I spent the past 10 years working in the music business, primarily in Asia, and working with artists in China, Japan, and Korea. I got some firsthand experience with a lot of the issues that many of these artists, Jolin Tsai, Sunset Roller Coaster, Lei Zhang, many of them face. So I decided to come here to Kellogg and built this app, Herd, which is a first of its kind fan club management tool for artists. There are very few fan club management tools in the market today, so it may be new and hard to explain. But if you're a lover of music and if you have back-end coding and experience, we're looking for individuals who can help us route the different API keys together to connect data from multiple different platforms. I'd be happy to share more if you want to come to the breakout room, and I can share more information in the chat now. Thank you.
All right, next up is Jukebox.
Hey there, my name is Matthew. I'm one of the co-founders of Jukebox. Jukebox is a music rating social platform for recorded music and live concerts, designed to bring together music lovers and friends to promote community and engagement beyond listening. Think kind of like Letterboxd or Belly, but just for music. So yeah, we're currently a team of four. We already have our MVP, but we're really looking for, because we're an early stage kind of software app, we're really looking to have some talented front end and back end engineers to help us expand, just that we can hold more users and add more features that we really want to get to. Yeah, so if you love music and just want to come check us out, feel free to swing by the room. Thanks, guys.
Jukebox and Herd, maybe you two should chat. A lot of music fan similarities there. All right, next up is Kinetic Robotics.
Hey, I'm Dimitri Ganaun, founder of Kinetic Robotics. At Kinetic Robotics, we're making robotic servo motors affordable to accelerate robot adoption in consumer markets. Specifically, we're hoping to adopt materials like PEEK and other high-performance composite housings, build our own field-oriented motor control board, and overall aim for 95% of the performance for a fraction of the cost. Previously, I've built a functional deuterium-deuterium nuclear fusion reactor, many robot manipulators, and various other mini projects. I'm looking for engineers equally excited about robotics, great at PCB design, working with STM32s and communication protocols like CAN. So feel free to join me in the breakout room if you're interested. Thank you.
Next up is Leak Logic.
Hi, I'm Samuel. I'm the founder of Leak Logic. We do smart home IoT products mainly focused on solving toilet leaks. So we stop them and ideally save you money. We're looking for a firmware engineer. So that would be someone who wants to help write some code for MSP 430 or other low power microprocessors. People who have understanding of like, IoT, like matter over thread, Zigbee, Z-Wave, etc. Also marketing, SEO, UGC, basically anything to help bring it to life. If that sounds interesting, please come talk to me.
Next up is Munch.
Hey guys, we're the team behind Munch, and we are creating a cookbook app that aims to reduce food waste by helping busy people meal prep. How it works is it scans your grocery store receipt and parses it to create a database of what food you have available for the week. And then based off that database, it generates recipes for you based off what you have, what you like to eat, and other certain parameters like prep time or nutrient count, et cetera, et cetera. We are currently in the very early development stage, and we're mainly looking for people interested in software engineering and development, especially in terms of mobile apps. We're using Flutter as our framework, so if you have experience in that, it's a plus. And we're also looking for people skilled in UI and UX design. So again, if any of this sounds appealing to you, please reach out to us or join our Zoom room after this meeting.
Next up is Neurovia. Do we have Amara here? All right, moving on to One Kala.
Can you guys hear me?
Yep.
So hi everyone. I'm Jinjin. I'm building One Call with a team of four. So One Call is a consumer phone agent that handles the real world phone calls for everyday consumers. Imagine like if you ever spent like an hour to wait on hold and getting lost in the phone trees and still ended up nowhere. One caller makes the phone calls for you, navigates the phone menu, and waits on hold, speaks to different human representatives on your behalf, and comes back to you with a clear outcome. This is our first quarter as a garage residency team. We are one of the 9 business ideas backed by Kellogg's Fellows this year with funding and dedicated mentors. So we validated this idea and this value to users last year, and where we gained 3,000 users sign up organically without even spending any money. So we are currently recruiting 2 roles. So first one is full stack engineers, and the second one is product designers. So if this product idea sounds exciting to you, join my breakout room, which I'll share in a minute, and happy to talk more.
Next up is On-Site.
How are we doing, everybody? My name is Angel. I'm here with Matt. We're co-founders of OnSite. We are a sensor and analytics platform that helps gyms basically run their facility better. So if you're tired of the gym being super packed or machines being down, we're here to solve that problem. We're currently working with the gym in Chicago and aiming to deploy in the next month. We're actively looking for other gyms in the Chicagoland area. So because of that, we're looking for marketing, outreach, somebody who can help us and join the team. So feel free to join our breakout room, and looking forward to meeting you guys.
Next up is Palmware.
Hey guys, I'm Dev.
Hi, I'm Varsha, and we're on the team at Palmware. Palmware is developing a medical wearable device focused on relieving period pain with targeted electrostimulation and heating technology. We're revolutionizing comfort for women who deserve to feel better every single day of the month. Our target is women of all ages, especially those seeking comfort from menstrual discomfort.
So we're a passionate team of 10 ranging from business and engineering to marketing, driven by a vision to improve women's health. So our journey basically started with a $5,000 grant from a Chicago-based startup accelerator, and now we're on a mission to make period pain relief accessible to all.
So we're looking for people who are interested in breaking into the medtech industry. And we have many roles open right now for engineers, especially mechanical, electrical, and BME engineers. And we've listed the specifics on the website, so go do check that out. And if you want to make an impact and work alongside a very motivated team, you should totally join us.
Once again, we're Pomwa, and we're looking forward to hearing back from all of y'all as well.
Thank you.
Next up is Remy Care AI.
Hey everyone. My husband Fraser and I started Remy Care. It was inspired by my mother-in-law who is living with dementia. And as a family, we saw firsthand how she craved conversation, reassurance, and social connection. Even in nursing homes, the caregivers were compassionate and working incredibly hard, but there just simply isn't enough time or people to give the residents the level of one-on-one engagement that they need. So Remicare is an AI companion designed specifically for people with dementia. It engaged users with personalized, memory-aware conversations that adapt to where someone is cognitively, helping them feel calm, understood, and connected. And we already started building an MVP that families can use today. And early feedback shows that it can meaningfully reduce caregiver burden while improving daily engagement for patients. So our focus now is to look for another technical founder with an AI background to take our product from MVP to launch ready. So we're looking for someone that can help us improve reliability, streamline the tech stack, and scale the cost effectively. And long term, we see Remicare as a way to bring safe, human-centered AI into dementia care, starting with families and eventually expanding into care facilities and clinical settings. Looking forward to meeting you. Thanks.
Next up is Roots.
Hi everyone, I'm Sophia and I am the founder and CEO of Roots. Roots is a company that is designed to preserve and store family memories. Right now we're a vendor for retirement homes. We're working with about 5 retirement homes in the Chicagoland area to go in and essentially like audio record their family memories and then send them to the families. We're looking to transfer to more of a software-based company to make it all online. And so we're looking for front end and back end CS engineers, as well as people who are interested in marketing. So if you ever had like memories about your grandparents or parents that you feel like you want to preserve, maybe you'd be interested in joining our team. Thanks.
Next up is Somnia.
Hi guys, I'm Rajveer. I'm an undergraduate student at McCormick, and I'm the founder of Somnia. So Somnia is a patent pending projector-based sleep aid that can help people suffering from insomnia sleep in less than 8 minutes, and it works by integrating a mobile app with a wristband. I started Somnia about 2 years ago, and it has won multiple business pitch competitions, and we had also reached just about 2,000 downloads at one point. But currently, due to changing store regulations, the app is down. And we're working very hard to get it back and also develop and prototype the wristband. So we're looking to add a software developer or technical co-founder to help lead the engineering and system architecture, a product designer, an electrical or circuit designer, and most importantly, a marketing lead as well. So if you're interested in joining, please do join the breakout room, and I'm looking forward to talking with you. Thanks.
Next up is The Circle.
Awesome. Hi, guys. I'm Josie. I'm one of the co-founders of The Circle, and The Circle is an app that turns word of mouth recommendations from the people that you know and trust into a personalized search engine. So how it works is you add your friends and your family on the app, you and they input your recommendations for anything, products, places, services, entertainment, etc., using our AI-assisted chatbot. So the next time that you're looking for something, where you'd normally scroll through your old screenshots, notes app, messages, or of course, social media, and have to waste time doing all of that. Instead of that, you can just search The Circle like Google. So think Google, but for word of mouth recommendations. There are a lot of extra features that we have that I'm happy to explain, but we're looking to add a member to support marketing and social media content creation to help grow brand awareness. So our beta is actually out right now. I'll put the link in the chat, and then feel free to stop by our Zoom room, and I'd be happy to give you some more information. So thank you.
Next up is Transit Bandage.
Hey guys, my name is Conrad and I built Transit Bandage, which is an app that delivers public transit alerts up to 98% faster to subway and bus riders. If you've ever been on the CTA Red Line before, you've probably been stuck on a train without any explanation, and this is super frustrating. I'm from New York originally, and this happens like literally all the time for me, almost I think every day. And this is a big reason why I built Transit Bandage. So what it does is it fills communication gaps by pushing out reroutes, suspensions, and delay information up to riders in as little as 10 seconds to let people know the most up-to-date information. I'm looking to scale to Chicago as well as more cities across the US. TransitVantage in its current form has almost 4,000 downloads and 800 monthly active users, and I'm looking to add 3 mobile developers to help me work on and build out new features. I'm also looking for 1 marketing lead to join the team. If you want to work on the future of navigation, please come chat with me. Thank you.
Next up is Willie's Wallet.
Hi everyone, I'm Chunzo, founder of Willie's Wallet. Willie's Wallet is an online coupon app for Northwestern students, and we basically partner with a bunch of local businesses to get students the best deals at downtown restaurants and businesses. And we might be last on the startup list for matchmaking, unfortunately, but we're definitely up there in terms of impact. We planned this over the course of last year and launched a beta version last fall, reaching over 100 users and over 200 students interested. We're looking for social media marketing specialists who are interested in videography and graphics editing, who want hands-on experience developing Instagram Reels and real-life advertisement strategy for a real product for Northwestern students, and also someone who's interested in events planning for marketing events like a launch party or outside tabling. We're also a fairly small, close-knit team who's really looking to expand, and we're also a group with an emphasis on providing growth opportunity for all students involved. So we really want to help you explore all of your ideas and interests if you're really interested in kind of our mission and aligned with generally what we're looking for. So if you're interested in any of these positions, then please join us. I'd love to chat with you inside of breakout room as well.
All right, and we have one last pitch. AI Optimize is back.
Right. Hello, everyone. AI Optimize is a startup focused on making AI websites AI friendly. We provide an automated audit system that evaluates 25 attributes of a site's structure, clarity, and metadata, then generates actionable reports to improve the website's SEO accessibility and then structured data compliance. Our mission is to help businesses future-proof their website presence for the era of AI. We're looking for any kind of full stack developers. Thank you.
Awesome. Thanks all for joining. Good luck.